Hello, my name is Luke. I work for a company called Expect Best. This is a quick look at a demo we have created for a client who wanted a job quoting and workshop scheduling system. What you're currently seeing is a very basic example of the main functionality of what you wanted for this system. When you first load into the system, it opens to the customer inquiry page. Our client wanted a very streamlined system to help him and his business, as the forms on his website for inquiries are very detailed. So with this system, it will turn inquiries straight into quotes, as you can see. With dimensions and materials already entered and the material list and the cost worked out automatically. As you can see on the left-hand side, there is a wide range of options that we have made for him, such as kitchen islands, bookcases, wardrobes, staircases, even garden gates. With this system in place, our client can now get quotes out a lot faster to his customers, which is one of the main reasons we made this system for him. There is also a very nice breakdown that he can print out or quite easily copy and paste that will definitely help him out along the road. The next thing he wanted an area for all of the work that is currently being done. So a workshop board. Every job appears as a simple card. This shows all the stages of the job, from new inquiries to quoted, to in progress, all the way to delivered. Originally, each card has simple arrows, so you could click them and it will just move it along. But instead, we decided to add a more drag and drop feature, so now you can just quite easily drag and drop each of these cards into their respective areas once that work has gone forward. Again, for our client, this has made it a lot easier for everything to be organized, and now his staff know exactly what they're doing next. The main reason for the system, if I could go into a bit more detail, in the first place was to make it, again, a lot easier for our client's customers and employees. So for his customers, it's a lot quicker to get a quote on how much a certain job will be, and for the employees, this means spending a lot less time faffing around with certain paperwork. And now they always know what needs to be done and when it is due. The system is very customizable for him, and everything that needs to be changed in it is very easy to update for him, such as adding new materials, customizing the pricing, or just changing the standard price, or just simply adding new staff or changing their job roles. He also wanted a statistics page which shows which job takes the longest to quote, the materials that have been used the most, which is very handy for him to know on hand. We made this system so it can be run on pretty much everything within a browser, so this can be used on laptops, tablets, or phones, and it updates the very moment you change something, so nothing is ever getting left. Systems like this can scale to whatever level of detail you need it to be, from something even simpler than this to a way more fully bespoke build. If there's something you'd like to talk more about, just send us a message on our website or email us and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.